hour, so if you get kind of confused on what time it actually is, set a timer for 15 minutes maximum because we're going to be seeing some cold temperatures, and not only your pets but yourself. You don't need to be outside for that long a time with these cold temperatures. So looking outside right now, we're seeing air temperatures in the 20s and the 30s, but feeling even colder. But one thing that's really interesting about this forecast I do want to talk about for just a second, if you live close to Lake Erie, we're tracking some very strong waves. Let me show you this without the graphic right here. Again, as far as our temperatures go, yeah, really not too bad, but you can see, give me 1 second right here. Looks like our system's acting up, but here we go. As far as Lake Erie goes, we are going to be seeing waves around 15 feet in height because of these strong winds, again making those air temperatures feel frigid, but the waves about 15 feet in height. But you live near the Western Basin, so right here in our neighborhood we could be seeing the levels about 4 to 6 feet, so actually very low water levels because the waves pushed off over towards the Cleveland area. So yeah, we're gonna be seeing some very strong waves because of those strong winds, but also lower water levels. I mean, check this out. We're seeing winds throughout 40, 50 miles an hour this morning, afternoon, also into this evening as well too. So going to be pretty breezy, but that's just one thing. Another thing, because the system moving on through, bringing us some colder temperatures, as you can see right in this morning. Feels like temperatures in the single digits, air temperatures staying in the 20s, and we're going to continue to see some more snow showers throughout this morning and throughout this afternoon. As far as 3 p.m. goes, just some on and off light snow, but still it's going to be a cold afternoon, feeling into the single digits, but then overnight into those early morning hours for tomorrow. We do this all over again as far as feels like temperatures go. In fact, we could see feels like temperatures right around 0 degrees in some areas by this time tomorrow, but we're not tracking any snow, at least for tomorrow. Now, Wednesday and Thursday, there is another chance for a few scattered snow showers just in time for New Year's. And notice these temperatures really aren't moving a whole lot. We're staying in the 20s and the 30s, not only for today, but for the next 10 days. So it's going to be a cold start, or I should say a cold end to 2025, a cold start to 2026. And as far as snow chances go for 2026, there's a chance on New Year's Day, but also this time next week. That's a look at your extended forecast.